Okay, so just so everybody can see what I'm doing and what I'm getting wrong, starting on the cold and dark mission with the plane sitting here rendered in VR. So I'm going to go to controls so you can see what I'm running into problems with. So I go to cockpit, canopy switch. So I have left control, left shift C. And then for my engine idle, I have a button set up on my HOTAS right there. Alright, so here we go. Main power on. Flick a switch. Lights are on there. Lights are on there. They go out. Canopy. Left control, C. Nothing. For the right. Back down to canopy. Left shift C. Nothing. This is where I run into the problems. So let's bypass that and keep going for power up. Go to 2 start. Turn these on while I'm waiting. %. Engine idle. Nothing. Okay, so let's try the controls for the engine idle. Is right shift home. So let's try that. Right shift home. Right shift home. Nothing. So now you see where I'm at.